Take a look at this channel. It has around 2 lakh subscribers with just 35 videos, and most of those videos are getting millions of views. And do you know what they upload? Only car evolution videos. So today, I'm going to show you how to create these viral car evolution videos completely free using AI. Let's start. I've already prepared everything for you. You'll find a prompt document linked in the description. First, open the document and copy prompt 1. Now paste it into ChatGPT. It will ask you for the car model and the type of evolution you want. For example, I'll type BMW M5 and choose option B. Next, it may ask you to customize the years. We'll simply type skip. After that, ChatGPT will generate image prompts for all the car models in the evolution. Now let's create the background image. Go to Flow AI and choose Create Image. Select the model Nano Banana Pro. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Now go back to the document, copy prompt 2, and paste it here. This will generate our background image. Once the background is ready, add this image to the prompt. Now copy the first car image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. And as you can see, our first car image is ready. Using the same steps, generate all car model images, making sure you keep the same background for consistency. Save all the images. Now it's time to convert these images into videos. In Flow AI, select frames to video. Choose the first image as frame 1, the second image as frame 2. Now copy prompt 3 from the document, paste it here, and click Generate. And just like that, your first evolution clip is ready. For the next clip, use the second image as frame 1 and the third image as frame 2. Paste the same prompt again and generate. Repeat this process until you've created all the evolution clips. Now open your editing software. Import all the clips and arrange them in the correct sequence. Slightly zoom in on each clip to remove the watermark or logo. Finally, add text, years, or labels as you want to make the video more engaging and professional. And that's it. That's how you can create viral car evolution videos using AI. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Riavron for more AI tutorials.